Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, third year class? I hope you will be enjoying a very safe and sound health with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Students, welcome to my English class, and in today's lecture we shall start your short story number 4, that is Breakfast, and this story has been written by John Steinbeck, who was an American author, and he was born on 27th Feb 1902 and he was died on 20th December 1968. Dear students, John was a perfectly and you can say he understood human feelings and he could explain the feeling in a very artistic manner. He was a very realistic, you can say, author, and due to his qualities and the qualities of his writing, he was given a Nobel Prize in Literature in 1962. ठीक है बेटा? So this very short story, it throws light on the fact that the most important thing is contentment. ठीक है? In this story, what does the poet wants to convey is that the importance of contentment. कि कैसे जो कंटेंटमेंट है, कनात, कंटेंटमेंट किसको कहते हैं बेटा? कनात को. कनात क्या होती है? कि जो चीज़ आपके पास है, यू आर सेटिस्फाइड विद इट, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंटेंटमेंट. ठीक है? सो ही सेज दैट इफ मैन हैज़ कंटेंटमेंट ही कैन बी हैप्पी इवन इफ ही हैज़ नो हाउस, नो permanent job and no good food to eat. This is the message of the writer, and how he conveys this message beta? By telling us the story of a family whom he met on his way going somewhere in a countryside. ठीक है? So he met that family who had just 12 days work with them, but they are still happy, they are contented. Even those people, they won't have any complaint against the society, against the people, against each other. They are living a very happy life. And why they are living? Because they are contented with their luck. They are contented with that which God has given them. So the author, he is really inspired by this quality. So he has written the short story Breakfast. So let's start. This thing fills me with pleasure. कहते हैं कि ये चीज़ जो है उसने मुझे खुशी से भर देती है. मीन टू से कि I got a lot of happiness. I don't know why I can see it in the smallest detail. Now he recalls that incident in a very minute detail. बहुत ज़्यादा बेटा उसको डिटेल में, स्मॉलेस्ट डिटेल में जाके उसको चीज़ों को याद करता है. I find myself recalling it again and again, each time bringing more detail out of a sunken memory. और बेटा, when we remember the old incident that had passed, that had happened in the, you can say, past, so we can remember its each and every small detail. ठीक है ना? तो the author, he is recalling it again and again. So thus in his sunken memory, sunken mean जो dead memory होती है या जो बहुत ही old हो चुकी होती है. ठीक है? तो कहता है मैं अपनी sunken memory से more detail जो है I can get. Remembering brings the curious warm pleasure. और किस किस्म का बेटा उसको pleasure देता था? बहुत ही warm type की चीज़, warm type pleasure उसको मिलता था when he recalled that incident. ठीक है बेटा? So it was very early in the morning. The eastern mountains, now he's expressing the incident that had passed somewhere else in the past. So he's saying that the eastern mountains were black blue, but behind them the light stood up faintly, colored at the mountain rims with a vast red growing colder, grayer and darker as it went up and overhead, until at a place near the west it merged with pure night. Now beta, he is expressing the whole scenario, that what kind of the situation was that the mountain, they were black blue and behind them the light stood up faintly. और बेटा लाइट बहुत कम थी वहाँ पे. कलर एट द माउंटेन रिम्स. ठीक है? रिम किसको कहते हैं? एज को, किनारे को. सो विद अ वास्ट रेड ग्रोइंग कोल्डर ग्रेयर. अब उसका कलर कैसा होता जा रहा था? इट वॉज गेटिंग ग्रेयर एंड ग्रेयर with the passage of time, and overhead until at a place near the west it merged with pure night. और यहाँ तक हो गया कि वो प्योर नाइट में चेंज हो गया. ठीक है? टाइम इस तरह का टाइम हो गया था. So, and it was cold, not painfully so, but cold enough so that I rubbed my hands and shoved them deep into my pockets, and I hunched my shoulders up and scuffled my feet on the ground. Now beta, look at the minute detail the author is expressing. He's saying that it was cold but not so painful. Cold thi, sardiyan thi, but it was bearable. So he was pushing his head, he's rubbing his head, his hands, and shoved them deep into my pockets, and he put those hands into his pockets and hunched my shoulders. ठीक है? So and scuffled my feet on the ground. Scuffle क्या होता है बेटा? घसीटना, ठीक है? Struggle करना, कोशिश करना. So down in the valley where I was, the earth was the lavender grey of dawn. So बेटा अर्थ कैसी थी? Lavender grey. सुबह के टाइम कैसी अर्थ लग रही थी? ये ग्रे कलर की लग रही थी. I walked along a country road and ahead of me I saw a tent that was only a little lighter grey than the ground. Beside the tent there was a flash of orange fire seeping out of the cracks of an old rusty iron stove. So better look at the detail that he saw, what he saw when he was passing through a country road. So he saw that there was a tent, and tent's color was grey, and beside the tent there was a stove, an iron stove, and rusty, old rusty. Rusty mean beta zang आलूद होता है जो, ठीक है. So grey smoke spurted up out of the stubby stovepipe, spurted up a long way before it spread out and dissipated. ओके बेटा, अब इसमें क्या कहेंगे कि स्पर्ट होता है मूव, ठीक है. स्पर्टेड अप अ लॉन्ग वे बिफोर इट. स्पर्ट होता है मूव, और डिसिपिएटेड होता है डिसअपियर, कि वो थोड़ा सा मूव करती उठती है हवा, जो आग थी उसके बुझने से पहले. सो उसमें जो स्टोव था बेटा, उसमें जो है वो क्या कर रहे थे? आग जला रहे थे, आग जलाने की कोशिश करते, बिकॉज इट वॉज द ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम, एंड द वीमेन, द लेडी ऑफ द हाउस, शी वॉज ट्राइंग टू मेक ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर द family. I saw a young woman beside the stove, really a girl. So what did he see? He see a young girl. She was dressed in a faded cotton skirt and waist. So this type of the you can say dress she was wearing, a faded cotton skirt and a waist. As I came close, I saw that she carried a baby in a crooked arm, and the baby was nursing its head under her waist out of the cold. बेटा उसने एक बेबी भी कैरी किया हुआ था, और बेबी जो है इट वॉज ट्राइंग टू टेक एज इन हर वेस्ट अगेंस्ट द से कोल्ड. अब वो सर्दी से बचने के लिए अपनी माँ में जो है वो जो बेटा उसमें जो है उसकी कमर में या वेस्ट में जो है वो एज ले रहा था, मीन टू से कि उसमें जो शेल्टर लेने की कोशिश कर रहा था, ठीक है. सो the mother moved about, poking the fire, shifting the rusty lids of the stove to make a greater draft, opening the oven door, and all the time she was doing all these things. ठीक है बेटा, क्या कर रही थी? She was trying to make fire in the stove. Stove में आग जलाने की कोशिश कर रही. So बेटा, it's enough for today, and I hope you have well understood the text. And tomorrow, inshallah, tomorrow's lecture we shall continue our next paragraphs that are upcoming in the story. Okay, dear students, remember me in your prayers, and till tomorrow, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.